Backlinks used to be the holy grail of SEO, until now. In 2025, things have changed, and Google is rewriting the rules. What if I told you that you could rank on Google without a single backlink? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Stick around because in this video, I'm spilling the secrets to outrank your competition with strategies that don't rely on backlinks. If you've been struggling to climb the search rankings, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Hey there, digital marketers and SEO enthusiasts. Welcome back to Boost Meester, where we break down the latest digital marketing trends into actionable steps. Today we're tackling one of the biggest myths in SEO, that backlinks are the only way to rank on Google. Sure, backlinks are still important, but Google's algorithms are evolving, and so should your strategy. Let's dive into how you can still crush the SEO game in 2025, even without backlinks. 1. Focus on content quality and relevance. The first step to ranking without backlinks is creating high-quality, relevant content. Google's algorithm is smarter than ever. It can now assess the depth, originality, and relevance of your content. Instead of chasing backlinks, chase excellence in your content. Answer the questions your audience is searching for, and don't just skim the surface. Provide value. Tools like Google Search Console can help you identify topics your audience cares about most. 2. Optimize for user experience, UX. Google prioritizes websites that provide a great user experience. This includes fast loading speeds, mobile optimization, and easy navigation. If your site is slow or clunky, Google won't reward it with a high ranking. Backlinks are not. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to improve your website's performance. 3. Leverage semantic search and keywords. Keywords are no longer just about exact matches. In 2025, Google uses semantic search to understand the intent behind queries. This means your content should naturally include related phrases and answer the broader context of questions. Think of what your audience would type or say when searching for your content. 4. Build authority through EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. You don't need backlinks to build authority. You need trust. Showcase your expertise through detailed guides, case studies, or videos. Add author bios to your articles and link to credible sources to build trust with Google and your audience. The more authoritative and trustworthy your site appears, the higher it'll rank. 5. Engage your audience. Google loves engagement. Comments, shares, and even the time users spend on your page signal to Google that your content is valuable. Encourage interaction by asking questions, using polls, or integrating interactive content like quizzes. The more people engage, the better your chances of ranking. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but does it really work? Yes, it does. In fact, many websites are already ranking with minimal backlinks by focusing on these strategies. And the best part? These methods are beginner-friendly and cost-effective. No expensive link-building campaigns, just solid SEO fundamentals. Backlinks aren't the king they once were, but that doesn't mean ranking on Google is out of reach. By focusing on high-quality content, user experience, and trust, you can climb the rankings without spending a fortune or relying on outdated tactics. So are you ready to revolutionize your SEO strategy? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more game-changing SEO and digital marketing tips. Together, we'll conquer the 2025 SEO landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.